What's up, friends? Out in the food forest. It's been a pretty wicked weather lately. We thought we were going to lose power last night. Did a bunch of steps, got the generator out, got everything ready, and didn't end up happening. So that's a good thing. We're all ready to go now. We know what to do because we also had some flooding going on. So we're a little nervous. We're going to need that sump pump working and that heater going because we're below freezing. So a little bit on the local area. We got a lot going on. Got some minor flooding, as you can see here, starting to ice over. Got our pond maxed right out. Fruit trees, got a little sleet on them last night, and a little bit of snow afterwards. So we got a little overflow going here. It's starting to all freeze up now, but it takes it that way. So that's why this is important. But in our local area, we got Shiawassee River as of last night at 8 p.m. at 7.2 feet, with the flood stage being 7 feet. And it's currently cresting, so it shouldn't go up much more. In northern Shiawassee County area, we had a couple power outages. One of them just got fixed as of 8:02 a.m. That was, let me see here, that was 21 customers affected. Looks like trees fell on the lines causing that one. Right in that same area, northern Shiawassee, north of Owasso, we got another one that's expected to be fixed by 12:15 p.m. with 49 people affected. And that was reported as of 9:07 p.m. last night, January 11th. Over in Caledonia Township, unfortunately, there's another power outage. Time of restoration, it's looking at 10:45 this morning. 24 customers affected, and that was first reported at 12:21 a.m. Also north of Durand, and in Durand, in the northern area, time of restoration is going to be 8:45 a.m. and there's 102 customers affected out in Durand, and that was first reported last night at 2:27 a.m. Alright, so that's what we got going. Looks like we dodged a bullet. I'm sure the people in them select areas aren't saying that, but for the most part, we didn't have too many bad things go on in this area that I know of. Didn't lose a lot of power. The flooding is appearing to be minor, so hopefully everybody gets their power on real quick, and we get a little bit better weather coming up. It's supposed to warm up for us, and we can get outside and do a little bit of work. Alright, see you on the next one, guys.